Hi there! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the Amino Acids Pattern Report. This report calculates your recipe's Limiting Amino Acid Score, which is used to determine protein quality. To generate this report, your ingredients need to have their amino acid values filled in. If you're using our built-in USDA ingredients, these values are already included automatically. Simply set up your recipe in the recipe builder, add your ingredients, and you're good to go. Once your recipe is ready, head over to the Reports tab at the top, select Amino Acids Pattern Report, and you can view the full breakdown or click Download to export it. If you're working with custom ingredients, you'll need to add the amino acid values yourself. To do that, go to your ingredient, open its Nutritional Info section, click on the Amino Acid Profile tab, and fill in all the values. Once done, the values will automatically carry over into any recipe that uses that ingredient. Quick tip: your Limiting Amino Acid Score from this report is a key input for calculating your PDCAAS, or Protein Digestibility Corrected Amino Acid Score, which is the FDA-recognized method for evaluating protein quality and determines whether you can show a % daily value for protein on your nutrition label. To learn how to calculate and display your PDCAAS score, watch our step-by-step tutorial. You can search for it in our video tutorials section. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.